Now that we have all our parts cleaned and oiled, we're going to reassemble this firearm, okay? So first thing we're going to have to do is let's put this bolt back together and get this bolt back in the gun. So this is how we had everything laid out. Our little tube, there's only one way it can really go in. It's got a flange on it so that it doesn't go all the way through. Your rod goes back in and your spring goes right back on. Goes right in the top of the gun here. It actually, I'm going to turn it this way since this is how I have the gun oriented to drop this in. Ouch. That kind of hurts. So once we drop it into position, your pin in the front here, make sure it's pinned into position. And now we'll just slide this spring in. See if we get this spring on the gun. And then push it down. See how it's in? So after we have our bolt in, let's just go ahead and put our charging handle back in. And it simply screws right in like so. I'm not going to tighten it up yet. I'm just going to slide it in there. Our bolt does function and work. Now when you put your rail back on, your short screw goes in the front. You have the overhang up here. Your long screw goes in the back. And then just drop it right on top there. Just like so. Let's tighten these down a little bit. Now I'm not sinking anything at this point, I'm just snugging it up right now. We'll go back and tighten it all up once we get it all put back together. So now let's put our barrel back in. So your barrel has a notch on the bottom and it matches the notch in the bottom of the receiver. So you just match those two up. So there's only one way it can go in. We'll slide it back into position. So it goes in a lot easier than it came out. When you put your barrel nut on, all these notches face towards the muzzle of the gun because you got to be able to get your tool in there to tighten this up. So let's slide it back on, start tightening back up. All right, the screw on this side goes on the bottom. So let's use our tool and let's start tightening that thing up. Okay, looks like I got it centered up on the bottom now. So we should be able to drop our floating handguard back on. When we're putting our floating handguard back on, might be a little easier to just loosen this up just a little bit. Back these off some so you get a little bit of movement in this. The top, see the notch here on the top of your floating handguard? That faces up and goes right up under your pick rail. You've got to keep this centered up here as you push it down. If you keep this portion centered, then it slides right down on the gun. If you get the front of it up here angled forward or backwards, it puts tension on this and you can't slide it. You can't slide it down. So, all right. Now that we've got that, our hex head screw goes in the top to attach that on. Let's tighten these back up. Remember, we loosened these up a little bit just so we could have a little bit of wiggle room to put that on there. We're not tightening anything down. We're just getting it all in position. Now let's turn it over. Let's put our screw in the bottom. The little shorty goes in the bottom. The longer one goes in the top. We're just going to snug it down. We're going to go back over to the top here. We're going to go ahead and snug our top piece, our floating handguard down. Let's go ahead and tighten these up. Now remember, we're working with aluminum here. If you crank down too tight, you will strip these screws. So just snug, just nice and tight is all you want to do with it. So our bolt's functioning. We put our magazine in, we pull back, it locks open. The magazine allows it to lock open. As soon as you pull the mag out, slide closes. So our handguard's back on, our bolt's back in. We didn't tighten up our charging handle. Let's do that. Here we go. Safety functions and works. So everything works on the gun now. That's how you reassemble your TM22 by Rock Island. Be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.